Hakas ngi bekot jo ka Ïingdorbar Thawain jong ka Jylla kalami biang ka Ïania hapreng jong umbatirang rama o Conrad sangma bat UMLI jo ka umroi ubat George biling do. Kini ka Ïania juki kalami akapor ba bu ya ka jingkeli hakabaw ba George hula bu ya ka jingkeli akmat jong ka sarkar ya ki pus ki balai ni ki kam ki balai nyadu kasem ajar ka pra hadu ajar ar. Ni nakaliang jong umbatirang ba ka Jylla simnala ban ai ka jubab la ka baw ong ba nakaliang suka kadang wa jingtip na kita tekam ba per hakabaw la ong ru bakalong ka kam ka e kani kalami ka Ïania hapreng jing ki angot kinang mikmat
be available till March 2021.
So then the question can be asked accordingly.
So the question was asked accordingly, sir, from 2018 till 2022. So if the government did not have the figures till 2022, we expected at least till 2021 the data.
So if I'd given that, then the Honourable Minister would have said that, Honourable Member would have said that, why am I not giving the rest of the information? So I'm doing as
we could have understood, sir. We are not.
Sir, he's saying that now,
not so sensitive. We are not so insensitive, sir. Please, sir, don't presume and assume. Please, sir, this house does not work on presumption, sir. Please, sir, this house does not work on presumption. Yes, I have specifically asked
sir, that is
if the information was not available to 2021, why was not it given? So if we work on presumptions like this, sir, then we will presume till 2030 also we will not know, sir, as to how many vacancies are there, sir.
So I think he's exactly saying what I'm saying. We can't work on presumption. I can't presume that this is what he wanted to know. I have to go by the language. So it's like the same thing which the question came. He was saying that why did PWD Minister take up the question which was meant for transport that day? He had asked, the Honourable Member had asked that question, sir. So I want to clarify, on that day, the exact wording, sir, of that particular question was that...
So we are digressing from the question.
So we
are digressing from the question, sir. The question
why is the Honourable Member so worried?
We are wasting time, sir. We are wasting time here, sir.
Okay.
We are wasting time, sir. We want about the post.
Wasn't it one at a time?
So can I continue, sir?
Please. Be short.
Yes, sir. So the
much time in this.
Yes, sir. So the question, sir, that was asked that day was are there any road restrictions, ROAD, on the Umiam bridge? Road restriction. Maybe the Honourable Member was actually wanting to ask load restriction, LOAD. But the question that came to us was road restriction. So therefore, when it says road restriction, it went to the PWD Minister, and PWD Minister said there's no road restriction. But can we presume that the member wanted to know load restrictions? That would be incorrect. Then he would have said that, why did you answer that? I wanted to know road restriction. My point, sir, is, sir, I'm
so what is the point of that, sir?
My
the question never came up for discussion only, sir.
The question never came up for discussion. I did not disturb him, sir. I am replying, sir, please, just my one line, sir. So I am only trying to say this because he used the word that we can't presume. He's right. I can't presume that this is what he meant. I have to go as per the question and the wordings in the question. That is what I'm trying to say, sir.
Last question from
the question.
Last question from Bala Saras, please.
Sir.
Last supplementary question from Bala Saras.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.